asked me which way I liked it. I told him I like my shit from the back.
What's up, y'all? It's Michelle, but you can call me Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So as you can see from the title, today I am going to be trying out Ghost Bond glue, lace glue. This is the XL. I don't know if it means like extra large or extra length or whatever. I don't know what it means, but that's what I got. I got it from my local beauty supply store for $20. When I do wear wigs, I usually just do got to be glue or got to be spray, and like it usually work, but recently it hasn't been working. Like, I don't know, it hasn't been sticking, so I was like, all right, I think it's time for me to try this lace glue. I was always scared because, you know, people be losing people be losing their edges, and girl, I can't afford that. Like, so yeah, so I tried it out, and y'all, it looked good. I'm still learning. Oh, I got this big ass bump. I'm still learning. Like, I'm still very much a beginner, but like this wig, I made this wig from scratch. It's custom made, honey. I almost cuss. I'm trying not to cuss. Anyways, I bought my wig cap. I sewed it by hand. Like, bought the bundles, the closure. I plucked the closure, bleached the knots, all of that. Everything on this wig is done by yours truly. Yeah. So yeah, I play so much, but I'm super proud of myself. I'm super proud of this wig because, like, I feel like I'm learning. I done came a long way, honey, because if y'all seen me my senior year when I first, girl, ooh, child, I'm really mad at everybody that would let me walk around like that. That was a fucking mess, and that deserved to be cussing right there, because that was a fuck mess. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I got this cute little, you know, install, it's not the best. I mean, I ain't arrogant, hey, but you know, I'm doing the best I can. If y'all want to see how I got this cute little install or whatever, make sure y'all keep watching. And I don't know if I'm gonna see y'all at the end of the video. I might just put some clips or something, but I don't know. So yeah, but if I don't, just make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all share my channel. I'm trying to be consistent, but like, you know how life get, 2020 is just not the year. So yeah, we just thugging it out right now. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Okay, y'all, so you already know we're gonna be using the Ghost Bond. So this is just me showing the bottle once again, in case you want to go get you some. So first, you want to start off on some, you can use fresh braids, old braids, as long as they flat. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take some got to be glue, and I'm gonna slick my edges back, because if they too frizzy, they're gonna get caught all up in the lace, and that's not good. Okay, I also like to smooth my edges back because I wear closures, so sometimes that you can like see my real hair, like, because it doesn't go all the way. So if you just smooth it back, it just makes it look a lot more sleek. And I just blow dry it because it's going to set it, and it's going to make it dry faster, because everybody knows got to be takes forever to dry if you don't. Okay, now that my edges are slicked back, I am now going to put on my wig cap. I can do the bald cap method, but I choose not to because it's unnecessary, because I only do closure part, and usually it just makes it look more wiggy on me, so I don't really like doing it. I don't know if I'm just like not doing it right, but I just choose not to do it. Okay, the next step is you want to go ahead and take you some alcohol, and you want to clean your hairline and right where the lace is going to lay and where you're going to apply the glue, because if you don't, it's not going to stick right and it's not going to last as long. So this step is mandatory. Okay, y'all, the next step I did was went ahead and I threw on my wig. Don't talk about my wig because I know it looks a little funny because I did a flexi rise set and I also twisted it just to give it a little body, a little curl, some light. So don't come for me and don't come for my wig. Okay, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and start applying our first layer of our Ghost Bond. When you're applying this glue, you want to dot it along your hairline and you're going to slide it back. I use a popsicle stick. You can use the end of a rat tail comb, just something flat so it'll just spread along easily. When you're applying this glue, you want to use a little bit. Little goes a long way, more is less. Like, that is the key to this glue, because if you use too much, it's going to take longer to dry and it's not going to be a easy, simple application. It's just, you're going to have to restart it. So you want to slide it back, don't slide it forward. If you slide it forward, you're going to have to pull your wig up all the way in your eyebrows, and that's a mess. So just slide it back, set it to where you need it to be set, and wait till the first layer is completely dried clear. Do not apply any more glue until the first layer is completely dried clear. When you're applying this glue and you're wanting it to dry faster, you can use your blow dryer and use it on the cold or cool temperature that you have on there. Do not blow dry it on hot or warm, or it's going to make it sticky and it's not going to stick to your lace. It's just going to be like sliding. It's just dry it on cool and that'll get the job done. So you want to wait till it's completely dry clear. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my second layer. And you're going to repeat the same process. Make sure it's also thin. More is less with this product. So when you're done, it should look clear like this. Don't mind those lines. I just used a little bit of eyeliner to mark out where I wanted my lace to lay. So now I'm going to pull my lace up onto the glue. You want to do this slowly because you don't want all the hair to get stuck. You don't want it to roll under itself, or that's just going to be a whole lot of mess. So you're going to put it on there and you're just going to stick it, line it up to where you need it to be. And I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to like push the lace onto my skin as I'm combing it back, if that makes sense. And you just want to keep repeating this process just so you can make sure that you get all the lace stuck onto the glue. Okay, so on the sides, the closure was a little bit longer than what I expected it to be. So we're just going to go ahead and apply a little bit more glue onto the corners that I missed. And we're just going to repeat the same process, and we're going to get the lace to stick onto our skin. Okay, this is just me showing y'all how stuck that lace is, and it wasn't going nowhere. So now we're just going to go ahead and melt it into our skin. So we're going to get a silk satin scarf. We're going to tie that up, and we're going to leave it tied up for about 10 minutes. You can do longer than 10 minutes, but I had to go to work, so
I was going to leave it on for 10 minutes and let it sit there and dry and melt into our skin. In the meantime, I am going to be brushing up my curls and styling my hair. Okay, y'all, so after about 10 minutes, I went ahead and I took off my silk satin scarf. And now I'm just going to go ahead and go in and get all of those baby hairs that was stuck to my forehead off. And then we're going to go ahead and take some more alcohol and we're going to clean up our hairline. And then we're going to get into styling our baby hairs. And if you guys want a more detailed video on how I do my baby hairs on my wigs, I could definitely do that for y'all if y'all comment it down below. So right now I'm just playing around with it to see how I want my baby hairs to go. But that was pretty much it, y'all. I just played around with my baby hairs until I got them to my liking. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos, share my channel, and I promise I got more coming for y'all.
Yeah.